Hello and thank you for checking out the Melody Making Piano Studio's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the circle of fifths and how to find a major key signature. So according to this chart, this is the circle of fifths. You will notice that we have C starting at the top, and we go up a fifth by going right on this circle. G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, C sharp. Or we can start with C and go backwards or left down a fifth. F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. So going up is to the right and going down is to the left. So you will notice that the C sharp and D flat, F sharp, G flat, and B and C flat are the same notes with a different spelling. So in order to find a fifth on the piano, we will start with C and we will go up. This is tonic, whole, whole, half, whole. So that would be G. Then let's go up a fifth again. Start with G. Tonic, whole, whole, half, whole. Again, on your chart, we have C, G, D. Or let's try and go backwards. So we have C and go down. So we could just go tonic, whole, whole, half, whole. We end up on F. And then we could do it again. Let's start here. We can start on any F. Tonic, whole, whole, half, whole. We end up on the B flat. And here it is again. So we have the C, F, B flat. You will notice that the first key signature has nothing, because you know is C. You most likely know that C has nothing. Then when we go up, we add a sharp. The next one, we add another sharp, another sharp. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7 sharps. Or going backwards, going to the left or down fifths, we have nothing, and you add a flat each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in order to figure out a key signature not based upon the circle of fifths, we can also do it in this way. So let's draw a treble clef. It's important that you know the order of sharps and flats so that you can continue to practice the order. So let's just do that real quick. Fat, cats, go, down, alleys, eating, bugs. That's always the order. It always stays the same. Whether you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No matter how many you have, it will stay in this order. So let's draw it on bass clef. This is the order. And the saying again, fat, cats, go, down, alleys, eating, bugs. So there it is. Again, they always stay in the same order. So if you have 1 sharp, you will do all of these. On both clefs, we will just have the 1 sharp to represent both the top and the bottom. Let's do flats real quick. So we have big, elephants, always, dance, gracefully, carrying flowers. Bass clef, big, elephants, always, dance, gracefully, carrying flowers. Same thing, if you have, for example, 2 flats, we'll just keep the 2 on the treble clef and the 2 on the bass clef. However many you need, just be sure it's equal on top and bottom clefs. So now let's figure out how to find the key signature. So let's do an example. Let's do 3 sharps. You could either go on the circle of fifths. I'll write it on both clefs because we want to make them equal. Fat cats go. Let's look at the circle of fifths first. So on the circle of fifths, we have 3 sharps. C, G1, D2, A3. That's one way you can find it. Or you can take the last sharp, which is G sharp, and go up a half step. So G sharp up a half step would be A. There's your answer. So let's do another one. If we did fat cats go down and down, fat cats go down. Take the last sharp. So let's erase this one because now we have 4 sharps. We have 4 sharps now. So what is the last sharp? This is D sharp, and going up a half step would be E. Your answer is E. You can check yourself on that circle of fifths, and your fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4 sharps, is E. Now let's do an example with flats. So we're going to do just a few flats. We'll rewrite this, treble clef and bass clef, and we're going to do 1, 2, big elephants always dance gracefully carrying. Let's do that many. So that would be 6. Big elephants always dance gracefully carrying. There's their 6. So this rule is a little different. You're going to take the second to last flat, count back 2, 1, 2. Or down here, same thing, 1, 2. And name it. What is that flat? The answer is G flat. So now let's look at your circle of fifths. We had 6 flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is, G flat. So just be sure that no matter what clef you're on, that you have the same equal amount of sharps and flats, and that you name them accordingly. So again, the rule for sharps is to take the last sharp and go up a half step, and the flats is to take the second to last flat and name it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope you found this video to be helpful.